Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting and very challenging question from radical mathematics. Here we have to evaluate expression a power 5 plus b power 5. If a is this and b is this. Now I will use recursion formula to simplify our expression a and b. So I can write n cube as n cube minus n plus n. Now from first two terms I can take n common. So n square minus 1 plus n. Now I can use difference of two squares identity. So n minus 1 times n plus 1 and plus n as it is. So I can write n cube equal to n plus n minus 1 times n plus 1. So this is the derivation or the recursion formula for a, expression a. I will write n plus n minus 1 times n plus 1. Let us apply this formula to find out a. So I can write formula first, cube root of n plus n minus 1 times n plus 1. Now I will apply n equal to 3. See what will come out. 3 equal to cube root of n is 3. So here I will be writing 3 plus 3 minus 1 is 2 times 3 plus 1, 4. Further I can write cube root of 3 plus 2 times 3. It is 6. And then we can apply recursion formula. The same formula here for 4. So I can write 6 times cube root of. Now consider n equal to 4. So I can write 4 plus 4 minus 1, 3 times 4 plus 1, 5 equal to cube root of 3 plus 6 times cube root of 4 plus, I will take product of 3 and 4, which is 12, and then I will apply the same recursion formula for 5. So I need to write cube root and then put n equal to 5 in this formula. So I can write here 5 plus 5 minus 1, 4 times 5 plus 1, 6. Now you can see it is matching. 3 is here, 6 is here, 12 is here. Cube root of 3 plus 6 times cube root of 4 plus 12 times cube root of 5 plus, I will take product of 4 and 5, which will be 20, and then we will apply recursion formula for 6. So our first number would be 6 inside the cube root, and so on. Now you can see this is our a. Left hand side is 3. So a equal to 3. Now the turn of finding b also. And b is here. First I will derive that formula first. So I need to write one algebraic identity, n cube plus 1 formula, a cube plus b cube formula. So n plus 1 in other bracket, n square minus n plus 1. Now I can write here n square minus n plus 1 times n plus 1. Let us take n common from these two. So I can write n common in bracket n minus 1. And then we have plus 1. overall product with n plus 1, which is equal to n cube plus 1. Now I will subtract 1 from both sides. So n cube equal to minus 1 plus n minus 1 plus 1 in bracket, and then I will multiply with n plus 1. Now I will consider cube root both sides. So our formula will be ready. Cube root of negative 1 plus n minus 1 plus 1 product with n plus 1. This is our formula. Let's apply to figure it out b. I will write formula first. N equal to cube root of negative 1 plus, I will write n minus 1 times n plus 1, and then we can write n plus 1. This is our formula. Now I will apply n equal to 2. See what will come out. 2 equal to cube root of negative 1 plus n minus 1. So 2 minus 1, it will be equal to 1 times n, which is 2 plus 1 times n plus 1, so 3. So I can write here cube root of negative 1 plus, this is 1 times 2, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So I will be writing here 3 times 3. Now this 3 I will apply recursion formula once again. The same formula we can apply for n equal to 3. Let's apply cube root of negative 1 plus 3 times 3. I will write cube root first. Negative 1 plus n minus 1, so 3 minus 1, it will be 2. Then n, that means 3 plus 1. And then we will multiply with 4. Now you can see 6 plus 1, 7. So further I can write cube root of negative 1 plus 3 times cube root of negative 1 plus 7 times of, again I will apply the same formula here. So I can write cube root of negative 1 plus n minus 1. So this time it will be 3. N, so 4 plus 1, and then whole bracket n plus 1, which will be 5. We can write cube root of minus 1 plus 3 times cube root of negative 1 plus 7 times cube root of negative 1 plus 3 times 4, 12 plus 1, 13. Again I will write cube root of minus 1 and so on. Once I will apply the same recursion formula for n equal to 5. Now you can check, it is our b. So left hand side is 2, right hand side is b. So our b value is 2. Now we have to find out a power 5 plus b power 5, which is quite easy. E equal to a power 5 plus b power 5. So I can write here a was 3, b is 2. So 3 power 5 is 243. 2 power 5 is 32. Once I will add both, I will get my answer 275. This is our required expression value. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Goodbye.